The Iberian Peninsula has not witnessed a total solar eclipse in more than a century. We are about to hit the astronomical lottery. Spain is entering a bizarre mathematical window where it will host an unprecedented trio of consecutive eclipses in 2026, 2027, and 2028. This sequence kicks off with a massive total solar eclipse, arriving right at sunset on August 12, 2026. A complete blackout of the sun is not something you happen to catch out the window. It requires precise preparation if you want to properly experience the celestial event of your lifetime. You might be wondering, since the moon completes an orbit around the Earth every single month, why don't we see the sky go dark every 30 days? It comes down to orbital inclination. Think of the Earth's path around the sun and the moon's path around the Earth as two giant hula hoops. They don't lay flat on the same table. One hoop is tilted slightly compared to the other. Most months, the moon passes a bit too high or too low to block the sun. A solar eclipse only happens during the exact mathematical moments when those two tilted paths cross and align perfectly with the sun, casting a sharp shadow onto our planet. Getting that exact geometric perfection to land right where you live is incredibly rare. That is exactly why the shadow sweeping over Spain in 2026 is such a prized opportunity. That shadow is not going to cover the entire country. It follows a very specific, narrow track across the surface of the Earth. For the August 2026 eclipse, the zone of total darkness will enter through the northern and central parts of the Iberian Peninsula, hitting cities like León, and will sweep eastward, culminating right at sunset over the Balearic Islands. In astronomy, geography is absolute. If you are even a few kilometers outside that specific path, you will only see a partial eclipse. You have to be precisely inside the track to see the day actually turn to night. And when that darkness hits, you feel it physically. The temperature suddenly drops, the sky takes on the colors of a 360-degree sunset, and local wildlife often gets confused and goes quiet, thinking night has fallen early. With the overwhelming glare of the sun blocked, its hidden atmosphere, the corona, glows as a ghostly white ring around the black silhouette of the moon. But August 12th holds an extra astronomical bonus. That same evening is the peak of the Perseids meteor shower. As the sky artificially darkens during totality, observers might actually catch shooting stars alongside the eclipsed sun. Having a total solar eclipse and a major meteor shower peak at the exact same location on the exact same day makes this a rare, dual celestial show. Before you look up, you have to understand the physics of your own eyes. Your lens concentrates sunlight just like a magnifying glass lighting a leaf on fire. Staring directly at the sun burns your retina instantly, and because there are no pain receptors back there, you won't even feel the damage happening. Rule number 1, you must use properly certified eclipse glasses that carry the strict ISO 12312-2 International Safety Standard. Rule 2 explicitly forbids any homemade remedies. Standard sunglasses, exposed X-rays, old CDs, or layers of aluminum foil are entirely useless. They might make the sun look dim, but they let massive amounts of invisible, damaging infrared and ultraviolet radiation pass right through to your eye. Rule 3 is to inspect your certified glasses before putting them on. If you see a single scratch or hole, throw them away. And Rule 5, observe the sun in short bursts of 15 to 30 seconds, letting your eyes rest in between. A false sense of security causes injuries during these events. If you treat a partial eclipse like a casual sunset, you are risking permanent blindness without realizing it. If you plan to use binoculars or a telescope, Rules 4 and 8 apply. The solar filter must be securely attached to the front objective lens, where the light enters the tube. Never put a filter on the rear eyepiece. The optics will focus the heat, instantly melt the filter, and shoot concentrated light directly into your eye. Keep in mind you are standing outside in August. Apply sunscreen and wear a hat to block the ambient radiation. If you don't have proper glasses, you can safely watch the eclipse indirectly by using a simple pinhole projector to cast the sun's shadow onto a piece of cardboard. There is exactly one moment you can safely remove your glasses, during the few fleeting minutes of 100% totality, when the moon completely covers the solar disk. The second the sun's edge reappears, the glasses go right back on. Finally, plan your logistics. Check the official weather simulators from the National Geographic Institute to find a spot with clear skies. A single stray cloud at the wrong moment will ruin the entire experience. Standing in the shadow of the moon allows you to physically feel the scale of the cosmos. Mastering these safety rules is the only way to ensure you walk away with a profound memory rather than a lifelong injury. Prepare your gear, find your spot on the map, and get ready for 2026. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the universe.